Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a maintenance wash on this F250 that is wrapped and ceramic coated by yours truly. And so I just want to get on here and do a quick maintenance on it. We're going to be doing the outside and inside, because inside is really the worst part about it, because my boss has a couple German Shepherds, a pit bull, and a cat, and they've all been in this thing. And so dog hairs, it needs to be cleaned out, and it just needs to be cleaned. Again, it's just a maintenance. I do this thing about once a month, if not more than that. It's been about a month since I've cleaned it last, but again, it shouldn't be too hard. I've ceramic coated basically this whole vehicle, other than the hood and the windshield and the top, because I was in a rush when I did it. It's a long story, but most of it's ceramic coated, so most of it cleans super easy, and the stuff that is not ceramic coated still cleans fairly easy, because again, I do this about once a month. But yeah. But without further ado, I'm gonna do some B-roll, show you guys how dirty this thing is. Again, you won't be able to see some of it on where I've ceramic coated it, but the tires and rims, you'll be able to see that it's been a while. So without further ado, let's roll that. Again, we're going to start off with the rims and tires. With this truck, it seems that the brake dust is the worst on the front tires. But again, it comes out pretty easy, especially with this all-purpose cleaner that we use. And so it's going to get these rims and tires cleaned, and then we'll start with the double bucket wash method on the outside. All right, now that we got the tires and rims all cleaned up, we're gonna film this bad boy and get the actual exterior wash done. Again, this thing is a ceramic coated vehicle, like I mentioned, and so the dirt comes off pretty easy with just a simple spray. But again, we want to agitate the rest of that dirt off of there and get it looking back to brand new and shiny. As you can see, the water is just beating off of this truck, and I also ceramic coated the glass on this, and as you can see, the water is just, it's gone. This speaks for ceramic coating, and this is why if you don't have one on your vehicle, I would say do it. Again, it's worth the money. It doesn't just help protect and keep bugs and tar and different things off your paint and keep your paint good. It also helps just maintaining your vehicle with a wash. Again, it takes double the time for a car that's not ceramic coated for me to wash than anything. Even this truck took less than 20 minutes. Because again, the dirt just comes straight off and the water just comes straight off. No having to really scrub and anything like that to the paint. So if you don't have a ceramic coating, contact Zox Auto Detailing, and we're located in Springfield, and we will take care of you. And this truck can be like your car. Beautiful, shiny, comes off super easy. Again, as we're moving into this interior, you can't really see it on camera, but there is German Shepherd hair everywhere. My boss has 2 awesome German Shepherd dogs, and the hair, especially on the other side, the front passenger where his dog Donnie sits, there's tons of hair everywhere, just caked. It takes a day or 2 days, and it's everywhere. And so you can't really see it on camera, but it takes a minute to get out. It comes off pretty easy. It comes out of the carpet pretty easy, but again, it's just trying to find every little hair is fun. But as you see, we're going to move on to the actual cleaning part of the plastics using just an easy all-purpose cleaner slash interior cleaner. And again, I'll put the links down below of what I'm using. And this stuff works great. It smells great, and it does the job. It's not going to leave marks and hurt the plastics inside or the leather, but also it'll clean it, make it look brand new.
Hey guys, I forgot to do an outro, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far in the video, again, thank you so much. Hope you liked it. And the before and after, again, it wasn't too bad, but as you can see with the wheels and the wheel wells, those are pretty gunked up with dirt and mud, especially because I was taking that thing to the dumping all sorts of stuff in the rain. But again, I hope you liked the video. And if you did, please feel free to subscribe, like, share this video, and comment on the video you might want to see below. I'm gonna have some cool stuff. I actually just got that car, no more truck anymore, so I might be doing a video on that here shortly. But again, until next time, hope you have a good rest of your night, day, and God bless. See ya.